When you look at the Chaparral aircraft and you're standing in front of it, it's easy to think that all the development of the aircraft lays within the confines of the physical aircraft itself. But in fact, there have been years of testing, of analysis, of design, of experimentation that have led to all of the things that go into the aircraft to mitigate the risk to the maximum extent that we can.
Elroy Air is a team of brilliant, kind, dedicated experts in aerospace, logistics, and robotics, all working together to improve the speed and the reach of express shipping.
We know that logistics is the lifeblood of civilization, and if we're able to be any part of that solution and being able to bridge that gap, I think that we'll be able to make the world a little bit better.